Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make plantain fiesta. This recipe is so easy to make and it's perfect for breakfast, and every plantain lover will love this, trust me. But before we proceed, I only want to say happy new year to everybody that has subscribed to my channel, that has been giving me thumbs up. Like, I did not take it for granted, and those that are yet to subscribe, I say happy new year to you, because I know you will still subscribe to this channel. So I started by dicing my plantain, and I love to dice it in this shape because I want it to be in small bite sizes so that it will rhyme with the egg. And I did the same thing to my fresh tomatoes. So guys, hit that subscribe button now if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please. I beg you, give me a thumbs up, please. This is 2021. Let's enter at least 200 subscribers. So give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like this video, and what else, share this video also, and do the needful. If you have any suggestion, leave that in the comment section. Thank you so much. So guys, I don't want to touch habanero pepper because it's really hot and peppery. So I used my fork to hold it down and just dice that gently, and just do that till my pepper is exhausted. For me, I believe pepper is to taste. The way I endure pepper may not be the same way you endure pepper, so I will advise you do pepper to taste. I use 4 habanero pepper. You can decide to use 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, whichever way you can endure it. So I proceeded by slicing my onions finely and just set that aside. So guys, I'm just going to heat up my pan and pour in some oil to my pan. I'm using groundnut oil, so I'll just heat that up, and next I'm just going to fry the plantain till it's golden brown. That way it doesn't burn and it looks beautiful. So I'll just stir the plantain continuously, not really continuously, like just stir it at intervals so it won't get burnt. At this point guys, our plantain is golden brown to my satisfaction. You can make yours browner than this if you wish, but I love mine like this. So I'm just going to scoop that from the oil and set that aside in a separate bowl. At this point guys, I'm just going to be using sardine for the egg mixture. So if you don't like sardine, feel free to skip this process and use groundnut oil. And don't forget to saute your onions for about 30 seconds to bring out flavor from the onions. So I'll just saute that till it's translucent, and I will add in my fresh tomato and my habanero pepper. I'll just stir that well till it's combined, and next I'm just going to add one of the sardine fish because I don't like the fish to be too much in my egg. So you can add all or just keep the sardine if you don't like sardine. And I'll just mash that and just stir that with my spoon and mix that well. Next I'm just going to be adding some seasoning cube and salt. I like to say this is to taste, but I use half cube. Then finally we're just going to be adding our egg. Please ensure to check the description box for the full recipe. I used 2 eggs for this egg sauce, and I'll just mix that and just continue mixing because you want it to be like a scrambled egg. And I'll just add in my plantain. Oh god, yummy. This looks so yummy. And I'll just mix that well. Seriously, your kids will love this, adults will love this, everybody will love this. And guys, what is breakfast without hot cup of chocolate or coffee? Hey, so guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment for me in the comment section if you have any. Don't forget to send your feedbacks. It's Chef Temmie. I love you. Bye.